So today's project, we are going to be working on this raised garden bed. So a couple of things we're going to do is get this ready to actually plant our plants. We've decided to do the square foot gardening method in this raised bed, and you can see that we have some work to do on this raised bed. We still have to paint it, we have to put up the rest of the trellis, but we are going to section this off. What we're going to show you is sectioning this off in a pretty easy way that we found to be, that we think is going to be a pretty easy way for us to section this off so that we can easily plant in each of the square foot areas.
We're going to be using these eyes to tie the string to, so because this is cement board, I'm just going to pre-drill it, and that way we can put them in easily.
So we're actually going to go around the entire outside edge of this raised bed, and we're going to put those eyes every 12 inches. So then we can attach string to the eyes, and that will create our grid. Now that we have the holes drilled every 12 inches across the entire raised bed, we are going to go ahead and take the eyelets and we're going to screw them into each hole. They're pretty easy to put in, especially with them being pre-drilled, and you don't have to even screw them all the way in because it's just string. So the next step is to take some of this twine that we purchased and connect all of the eyelets to create our grid. So we have our grids now. It was pretty easy to do. Didn't take very long at all. I'd say 30 minutes just to put those eyes in, get the strings attached. So we now have created the grids. It's quick, it's easy. It didn't cost very much at all. And then we'll have those eyelets on there for the next year. We can take them off easily. You're just cutting the string. And in addition to that, you can create bigger grids if you want to, just by skipping some of the eyelets. So it was a good way for us to measure out what we wanted in each spot. Remember, doing things yourself saves you money and allows you to be free. See you in the next project.